Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SANP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that is where these green line annotations down here are coming from. And it's kind of funny now because, when I did the video on Friday, these green lines were actually relevant, but now you look at where the price is, and sure, they still pertain to the chart, but as far as being relevant, they're just not anymore. So on that note, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion, so I'm going to go ahead and just use these lines for some of the nearer term levels of support rather than having, lines everywhere you look. So one of the newest areas of support, and what I would call the ideal level of support going forward, right up there at 0018. Ideal meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the best? If the price can stay up above 0018, that would be a huge sign of power. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means is the entire chart ruined or anything like that, but that would just make the chart look the healthiest going forward. Next level of support after that, right there at 0013. So a couple of the newest areas of support, 0018, 0013. But as I believe I talked about in past videos, for those of you that really care about the big picture of it all, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. So as time goes by, as the name implies, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves higher, then the overall trend is fully in the bull's favor any way you slice it. Now, what about areas of resistance going forward? If you're watching level 2s today, especially this afternoon, I'm sure you know right where I'm headed with this, but that is right up there at 0021. Kind of a random area, but for whatever reason, that is where the sellers decided to kind of make their new camp. So 0021, public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. But all in all, as long as the price continues to build these higher bases like it's been doing over the past couple weeks, the overall chart will continue to take care of itself, which includes breaking those areas of resistance. So all about building higher bases. The chart's been doing a great job of it. The week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.